To get started with creating a WinPE USB drive, you'll first need to download and install the necessary tools. Head over to the Microsoft website and download the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit and Windows PE add-on for the Windows ADK for Windows 10 or 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Choose the option to install the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit to this computer, then click Next. Click Accept to agree to the terms and proceed. Ensure that Deployment Tools is selected, then, click Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once done, click Close. With the Windows ADK installed, you're now ready to create your WinPE USB drive. Open Deployment and Imaging Tools environment as administrator. In the command prompt that opens, type the following command to create a working directory for your WinPE files. Replace C with the drive letter where you want to create the WinPE files. If you're using a 32-bit version of Windows, replace WinPE x64 with WinPE x86. Insert your USB flash drive and note its drive letter. Run the following command, replacing C, WinPE x64 with the path to your WinPE files, and E, with the drive letter of your USB flash drive. The USB drive will be formatted, so make sure you have backed up any important data before proceeding. If you prefer to create a bootable ISO file instead of a USB drive, change the /UFD switch to /ISO and specify the path and file name for the ISO file. This will create an ISO file that you can later burn to a DVD or use with virtualization software. Turn off your computer and insert the WinPE USB drive. Hold down the Shift key while turning on your PC. Keep holding Shift until the Windows Advanced Start Options menu appears. Select Use a device from the Advanced Start Options menu. On the following page, choose EFI or UEFI USB device. Your computer will restart and guide you through the process.